Hello and welcome to EveryDad DIY. I'm Gavin. Today we're going to be looking at fixing / improving the stairs gate at the top of my stairs. At the moment it's coming away from the wall because the kids have been swinging over it and standing on it and all the rest of it. So I'm going to take it down and see if we can put it up a bit better, a bit stronger, and hopefully it'll last a bit longer. So stick with me and let's get started. Okay, so this should be simple enough. So this is our stairs gate with its slats in it, and coming off that there's something that's like threaded bar up here and here, and then they have fixings that go into the wall like that. So this side is your hinge side, and then this side is where you put these are little latches that it clicks into. So on this side we have a masonry wall, and on this side we've got the banister post. So I have had this hanging here already, but originally I put some 2x1 here and some 2x1 here, and the problem with using 2x1 is I only used maybe 2 inches of it, and there was 2 holes in it, and over time it cracked. So now it's pulling away from the wall here and it's cracked on this side. So I'm going to take down the whole thing and I'm going to redo it with a 2x1, so or sorry, with 2x2. So I'm going to put a length of 2x2 on this side and a length of 2x2 on this side, and that will give me a stronger fixing into the masonry wall and also a stronger fixing into the banister. And normally 2x2 in my experience doesn't crack, not 2x1 cracks really easily, so I think that should be good. That will also shorten the length of travel on these pieces of threaded rod, because before they were pretty much extended all the way, so now they should be shorter, so that should make it stronger where it connects into the stairs gate. Yeah, so that's simply that's what we're going to be doing. The only other thing we have is down here is where the stairs comes up, and there's a little piece like that, so our 2x1 is going to have to kind of go over it, and we're going to have to cut a little piece out like that just to accommodate for that, but that's not a big deal. Yeah, so that's what we're going to do, simple as that. 2 pieces of 2x2 we're going to screw into the wall on this side, the banister on this side, and we should have nice strong fixings. So the next thing you're going to see is I'm going to start measuring out for these side pieces. I'm going to cut this little piece out here so that we can slot that down. Yeah, and then we'll just get going on putting it up. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a quick run through of what I've done. So this is a piece of 2x2 planed. I have that with 2 80mm screws into some red rawl plug. There's the second one down there, and then I have just 40mm screws holding on these hinges, so it's going right into the board, so it's supported there as well. The same here, there's two 40mm bolts, and then I've leveled it across, and here again we have a piece of 2x2, and again it's 80mm screws here, and that's actually the 80 going all the way through, and I've got a 40mm down here. Okay, so as you can see, it wasn't too difficult in the end. Just a couple of bits of wood and some screws and a little bit of time. So yeah, I'm happy about that. I'm not worried about the kids pushing it down anymore or anything like that. It's up nice and strong. Yeah, so thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.